For the black child, for the black child, yeah, for the black child, for the black child, yeah, I hope this letter that I'm writing can reach your heart. I don't know where to look because of the time when I look I'm heading my eyes. Maybe I should talk with the young ones who are depressed inside. I'm sorry that in the young age you can't even crack a smile. I know we don't come at the same place, even at the same house. Some of your parents they jump the border to look for jobs so they can provide, but the same environment has given you something can change your mind. At the age of 14 you became a good friend at the wrong kind. They told you what your mama told you was wrong. They took you to the mentality that you got it from home. Then my man decided to become a boss because she has something positive for you. That's one day you will still have it on the wall, but you became one of the world. That was our loss. Moving forward, when you were 17 you started to smoke with a friend that you came across. They told you that alcohol is better than the one coke. Damn, and you believe that. You took a one shot and the other shot cost some more. But that time you were not alone. You were with the big boys who were waiting to take your soul, standing and holding the wall. That was the time they saw the God. They take you to the toilet and they started their show. I know sometimes we learn in the hard way, but that should not be a part of our life. Listen to your parent doesn't even take a man, but the experience and the lesson of life. But since you became pregnant, your brother started to get negative attitude toward people. I saw him on street holding a cigarette and putting a hand on his pocket, thinking about the life that you came in. I call him as a son. You should not regret about what happened. Life is beyond that. You can change what happened at home and become a good man. But I saw his mind was somewhere else and the shade on his face, dropped the cigarette and ran. I told myself maybe he changed. I called his mom to look after him. He said, "Simphiwe, you didn't even come home. Young man, I think you know what you done." I said, "Woman, look what you have caused." Damn, I looked for him, but he was nowhere to be found, to be honest. And all I wanted for this child was the best. 3 years later, I heard that she's making a living with the gang, from the drugs, stealing and murdering. I couldn't do anything but sitting down and wondering. Too many children they started to disappear, missing us of nowhere. The blood was everywhere, but handed it to the government. The family on the other side was covering for what the young woman has done. She was fixing her mistake from the past until the sun goes down and the child was growing up in healthy life. She decided to take the child with her because she found a job at the young town. When she was at the work, the child went outside and played, but that was a bad luck. The child died when the woman received the call. She came home rushing and she got a gunshot from the stranger who was his brother from the fight of the gang. That's what's happening around. We need to realize, yo. Black life. Yeah. Black life. Black life, yo. We need to realize, yo. From the black life. Black life. Black life, black life, that was the end, man. End with the tears. If you don't listen, there's nowhere to go. But they're paving the way for you to listen what they know. Wake up, black people, wake up.